Hello and welcome in. Joy here. I am having a collaboration this month, March 2026. And so I have a lot of makers, digital designers, and then a schedule. And you can find all of this information at JJ with Joy on Facebook page. I also have it in my group if you are in the group, but I want to thank every one of these people here. There's digitals that are available for you to work through. I did a video on each of these created by Tina, actually added some more images. And since then, several people have also added in like an additional kit that you can purchase or whatever. So anyway, thank you very much to all the digital designers. This is my first Make It March, my first collaboration ever. So then I have all of these designer maker people that are coming along on my ride with me. And some have got a couple, 3, it's going to be the whole month of March. But you can catch the schedule. I have it laid out. It will also be posted underneath so you can grab the information from there. But if you want to print one out, go to JJ with Joy Facebook page. So let's get into this. I'm working with created by Tina this time. And she is calling this Before the Bloom. And this is a sample kit that she's done for Make It March. So very pretty images. I have double-sided these. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with these, but there's 4 little pages, and I just dropped something, yay me. 4 pages that, 5, excuse me. I just put coffee dye on the back. Pardon me. There is pages to play with. This is a duplicate that I didn't put anything on the back because I cut it wrong to begin with. But today I want to play with their tags and stuff and figure out what I'm going to do with that. Let me figure out what I dropped. Okay, so I really just wanted to do tags today. I wanted to build up tags and make them a little something extra. So I have, let me move you down a little bit now. Whoops, wrong way. Wrong way. Hello. All right, there we go. Anyway, you can see how the embossing on that. I thought I would just build up some tags for this live and then just kind of work with that. I did pull out, this is some, what do we call it? Wallpaper. Wallpaper. I don't know how I want to use this, first of all. So I think I'm going to go this route. And I think I don't want, I'm going to save pieces for later, but you know, I kind of want to bring in the blue. This is an old stub from a payment stub. Ooh, look at that. That's funky. I might use that on that side for fun. Why not? I have all kinds of little scraps. This is my little favorite scrap pile, and these are all vintage papers. And then I have another little pile here that I work off of, and it is just, you know, extra fun. So let me flip through here, grab a few here and there. Some stamps. Those might be fun. This is Italian papers that I might use a little piece off of those. I got into and these little thin things, I like using them. I got into, ooh, there's a little piece of something. Luck with, I bought a bunch of, a big journal full of Italian papers. And they were vintage and lovely. I might use that too, a little bit of just whatever. We're going to play glue and stick it together and make it all happy good. That's the way we're going to do it. So, I don't really care about the backs of them as much as I care about the front of them because I'm planning on my tags actually being, well, didn't want to do that. Hold on. Let me think. I can't think and talk. My goodness. My goodness. All right. There. Oh, did you see that? It walked right off of there because it wasn't. It's okay. It's okay. It was on the raised part, not really on the other part. And I have this little blue one. It's kind of the same way, but different. I might put a little piece of this down here. Why not? It's a different color blue, but I don't really care. I like the varied colors and stuff. Now, I did ask all of the digital creator. I asked them if they would mind doing kind of a either blue or gray theme and anything that made them think of March. And I gave them some examples of flowers, rain, umbrellas, you name it. So you get a little variety along those route there. I have got several that are going to post. Let me see. Let me work this up first. Before I go doing this, let me find a way to. I want the different colors. And I don't care if it's red. That's why I don't care if it's upside down or not, you guys. If you've been playing along with me, you know that I don't do upside down. I mean, I usually put my stuff upside down because I really don't want it to be red. That's not the point of it's a decoration. It's ephemera, putting it on. But I don't know, you know what I mean. This is some 1920 papers. I think that is fun. Sometimes it's okay to just have a little peekaboo. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this and eventually. You know, I have no idea what my plan is. I am just creating to create. And we will find out when I get done what it looks like. That's kind of what I like to do. I like to just play by the seat of my pants and enjoy it as I go. These have words on them, so she did create a few words, but I'm not going to use them on these because they already have words. If they didn't, I would, but you know how that goes. Whoops. And I got me some glue. All right, hang on. Oops. I'm going to try to get glue down on here. I'm going to try to pick it up and layer the glue under the other pieces. Get the top looking like I want it, and then I'll go to the bottom and make it look like I want it. There you go. Now, I think that one needs a little hole because it's a little plain otherwise. So let me get my whole circle punch. You know, maybe not. Maybe I might, you know, I might find me some, I'm looking around. I have options out here, but, you know, sometimes I don't have everything out here. So, hang on. I have a bucket of fabric, like, you know, I have buckets of everything else around this joint. So let me find something that might match. Let me find something over here. I hope I don't rock you guys too much. I think I like this darker blue. A way to mute blues, or like not just blues, any color, is to put something over the top of it. I love netting. That is fun as well. And you could just staple something on top I have this old, very old quilt. I might use that on the top of as a topper for one of my tags. And let me see here. Excuse my throat. I just grab out random pieces. I have a little bit of everything hanging around. I like keep all kinds of weirdo little scraps. I just am kind of a scrap collector. Let's keep those out. All right, let's see what we got. And you know, I might just staple those on. Let me get my little mini stapler. Hopefully we don't have an issue with no staples in it. That happens once in a while, you know. You know how it is. Now we could sew this on or just simply put it on. You know, that would be cute with a button on it. I might do a button. I kind of don't like this color. Let me get rid of that and let me put this on. This probably needs to be under. There we go. Hope you guys are having a great day, and if you're following along, I hope you're enjoying this collaboration. There's a lot of good interest in things that make it a little fun. I'm gonna leave that one like that, and this one, I don't know, maybe let's go up like this. That looks kind of fun, doesn't it? Oh, I love that. That is like, that is hand sewn little piece of thread. I don't even want to cover that up. It's so fun. There's the thread. I'm just going to staple those on there. Anyway, that's my idea, to just kind of play with tags. Now this is going to be just a tuck, you know, to put a tuck in. Let's do all the tags today and see what we got. Now I like to put on, like if this is on this side, then I like, oh, that's the same one. I didn't realize. I wonder if I printed it twice. I must have. And that's the same one. Okay, well, I don't want to do two of the same. I mean, for a different project, maybe. But if it's loaded over this way, then I want to load it over that way. Does that make sense to you guys? I like to kind of just bring up pages. I got me some laundry going on downstairs. If you hear my clunk clunks. That's really pretty. I might, you know, that might be pretty. I might put that on top. Why not? If I have that there, and this down here, and that up there. I don't like this perfectness, though. I don't like that perfectness, so let's get rid of that. And then maybe a little something behind that to yet do it. I think I like that. Okay. First things first, we're going to do this. And I'm doing that. And then we're going to put a little glue here. Where do I want it? About there, I think. I love to layer. It's one of my most favorite things to do, you guys. Oh, and see, this one has, I printed it upside down, of course. I sure did. Oh well, life goes on, doesn't it? I'm gonna put that crooked, and then I think I'll just add that there. Just layer me up some tags and call it. Let's go that way. Good. I want a little something there, and I'm thinking I want fibers. Now, what I mean by fibers, I think I want, getting glue everywhere, like the leftover stuff that comes out of your sewing machine. Either that or, well, I guess this is what I pulled out. Oh wait, that didn't. Ha! I thought that was blue. It's white. Oh well, whatever. Okay, that's not what I want. I thought I had some in here. I do. Hold on, Fred. Hold on. I keep all kinds of thread fibers. And I try to keep the colors together, but you know, as you can tell, they are not all together here. Ooh, a little gold might be pretty on that. Let me pull the gold ones out. Oh, that must have been a little Christmas something, but I like it. I like it. How about that right there? I kind of like that. Get off my finger. All right. I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to do that and see if that will just stick. And it's not. Give it a minute off of my finger. Bring this up. I feel like it's going to stick to my finger. Give me a minute to get it up there. Okay, I'm going to put a little more under here. And then just give it time to dry. I like that though. I like it giving it just a little sparkle. Now I think I'm going to leave the top of that one without a topper. I might just punch a hole and put a string in this one. I like it though. Okay, let's see if I have any more tags. I'm just trying to do quick little short videos, and this says March Memories. That's the same. You know what I did? I did print it twice. I printed it once double-sided, once without. Oh well. It's okay. Anyway, I think that's all I'm going to do with this video today, but I hope you're playing along with the Make It March, and I hope that you come to Facebook page, JJ with Joy, and then come back and see us again next time. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it, and we will see you next go round. As for today, remember your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.